Hey guys, Lenny Bonds here from Purposely Pixel, and today I'm going to introduce you to two cases that I've been using for my Pixel 6 Pro. Now this is the Stormy Black color, and I received it as a gift from Google, and I'm going to show you what I use to protect my device. Now I have two cases here from Olixar. The first case is the Exoshield Google Pixel Pro case. Now the Exoshield is a clear case. Let's take it out so we can take a better look at it. It's made of stronger, thicker TPU. I mean, it's bendable, but it's strong. I like clear cases because I like to show off the device. We know they yellow over time, but this is it right here. So you could see on the corners, it has extra layer for protection. I also like over here that it covers the rounded edges of the camera. It has the hole punches for the speakers, the USB-C, the volume rocker, and the power button, and the little mic. So let's put this in and see what it looks like inside the case. It actually shows off the device nicely. It fits it well. Let's see how the buttons work. Power button works, volume. Very good. Actually has a nice little click to it too. There's nothing on this side, as you can see. The cutouts are perfect for the USB-C, the speakers, another layer of protection. If you want to drop it on the corners, it's pretty well protected. But this is what I was saying I like. It has this little layer right here that protects the sides of the camera. So when you lay it down, it also has that little lip. It's raised, so when you lay it down, the camera does not touch the surface. There's no wobble. It's perfectly fine. So this is the Olixar Exoshield Google Pixel Pro case, and I'll leave a link at the bottom of this video to let you know how to get it. Mobile Fun sent it to me. I'm letting you know that you should check them out. They have tons of Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 6 cases, as well as all other accessories for all other manufacturers. So now we're going to go with the next clear case that I have, and this is the Olixar Ultra Thin Google Pixel Pro case. Now this, from the description, is going to be a much more lightweight case, and you can see it already, right? You could see the difference. If I take this off, right, it's stiff, durable. This is actually a case when you know you're probably not working or not outside, you want a slim profile, that's the way it is. If it's perfectly, has the same sort of protection on the sides, you could tell by the corners, there's not an extra layer of protection for the device if it hits the corners, so you would most likely gain more damage using this case than you would the Exoshield. On the other hand, it gives you almost like the true feel of the device. It's nice and slim. It adds decent protection. It's going to stop you from scratches and little nicks and bruises from actually dropping the phone down accidentally or keys in your pocket. So it will offer that type of protection. This one will give you much more protection in terms of drops, accidental scrapes and bumps. This definitely would be the case to get if you're looking for a case that's clear, shows off the device, but actually protects it. This would be the case to get if you want that slim profile. You could take it out on the town, not bulky in your pocket. It has the protection, but it's not made of the same durable material. It also has the openings all over. It has the speaker openings, the USB-C. It covers the camera from the sides, which I like. It has the lip, which protects the camera when you lay it down. Let's check out the buttons, see if they work. Volume up, volume down, and it has a nice feel, a nice little click when you use it. So these two cases are from Olixar, and you could get them at Mobile Fun UK. I'll leave a direct link at the bottom of this video, and you could also check out Mobile Fun UK for all their other products. This is Lenny Bonds signing off from Purposely Pixel.